This is how I replaced the battery on my 1997 Speedster. First, remove the hoses behind the engine. Next, remove the battery cables and the hold down nut and rotate the strap back behind the battery. Next, rotate the battery on its side and move it to the back of the engine and then lift it out. Take your new battery, rotate it on its side, and lower it behind the engine. Slide the battery horizontally towards the battery area, and then rotate it so that the terminals are in the upright position. Reattach the battery cables and the hold down strap. Reattach the hoses. Hope it worked. Bye.